It's so bright. Happy birthday, Matthew. Happy birthday, Matthew. What's up? Happy birthday. What? What is it? What? I can't believe it. Happy birthday, Matthew. Happy birthday. It's for you. Balloon. Where is it? Where is it?
How to open it?
You can rip it. Just rip it. Just rip it, Lola.
What's this?
What? What is it? Can you show it? Can you show it to me? What's
It's
that?
the drinks.
Rings?
Yes. I just press. Open.
Vending machine?
Open.
Vending machine. Later, get the rest first. You get the rest of the gifts.
Okay. What's this? A sock for the Spider-Man like me? What's Addy?
Huh? Okay. Where is it?
Spider-Man.
Do you want to pee first?
What's
Do you want to pee first?
Yeah.
Okay, come in.
Present Addy?
I dropped that.
Is this a clothes for
Yeah.
me? It, this.
That one, the big one.
Yes.
Did you open the shirt?
Bitawan niya. Where are you going?
Wow, what's that?
How they move this?
Just rip it like that. Just remove it. There you go.
Well, how to open it?
Just rip it. What do you think it is?
It's Happy Meals.
What is that?
It's Happy Meal. This is Happy Meal.
Play-Doh. That's a Play-Doh. That's a Play-Doh keychain. You want to open it now?
What? What?
What's that?
Open.
What is it?
It's
What is it?
McDonald's.
McDonald's.
Open this.
McDonald's. Hindi pinansin. What's that? Stickers.
Yes. What's this?
Open it. I don't know.
5-1? What?
What is it? Can you show it to mommy? Can you show it to mommy?
A 5-1.
You like it?
Put here.
What?
Put it up.
Me too. Open it. You're on the floor.
The wax now.
How do you use it?
No. Oh, like this.
Open it. Push it again.
That is A1.
How will you say?
How is it put it?
Huh?
With screws.
Where's the screws go? Where's the screws down? How to put it?
How to put it in the walls to test.
Test.
Yes. Real sound.
So it will sound?
Yes. You put it in walls, can fix it.
Fix it? Okay, fix it later.
I'll fix it later.
Where are those screws down? To put in the bowl.
To
To
test.
test. You like it? What will you say?
Take it, ate.
Thank you.
We're going.
Alalagay niyo na sa bowl. Oh no. Hindi niya pinasin ibang gifts. Yun na yung favorite niya.
I can test it.
You can test it?
Yes.
Let me see. Oh yeah, Daddy needs to fix it first, okay?
What's that, ate?
It,
What? What did you say?
I lost it.
You lost it where?
Where'd you buy this?
Daddy bought it at Amazon.
Oh,
What will you say?
thank you, Daddy.
You're welcome.
I wrapped the gifts.
Say thank you to ate.
Daddy wrapped it. Ay, ate wrapped the gifts. Say thank you to ate too.
Thank you.
Oh,
Mommy-
look at the
Mommy
mess.
decorated the wall.
Ate too.
Ate and
Oh, what's this? Play-Doh? Where's your Happy Meal? McDonald's. Sabi niya, McDonald's.
Donald.
It's vending machine niya. Sabi ko. Vending machine! Wow! So
What?
cute.
What's this with a top? A top.
Gamitin mo pa ito. May lagay mo sa amin.
And this a one.
Wow! You're playing now? Got your gifts? Ang cute naman. The prize. Ano tatanggal
Wait,
din?
what's that melon by the wheel?
Did you drop it?
Yes.
I'll get it. Waffles. They got chicken. They got our drinks. We've got our burger. You can assemble your burger, my love. Look. Oh no. Look at that. What is this for? Oh, it's a sauce. And here's the menu. Oh. Oh, you can cook burgers here. What? Ito, ang daming machine. Ano dito? Ah, ito yung pang shape ng Play-Doh. You can put it here.
I can't put it.
You can put
I
what?
can put all the money.
Just put one and then it's gonna bend one. Just put one for one drink. Okay, go. Tap and then push what you want later. Push what you want. What? What did you get? Can you see it? What did you get? Oink. Can you show mommy? What did you get? What is it? What's that? Is it grapes?
Yes.
Grape juice? What's that, my love? You're playing your alarm? Wow. Where's your key? Did you open it on your own?
No.
Oh, busy na siya. Hindi na siya mastorbo sa alarm. Close. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Matthew. Happy birthday to you. Birthday, Matthew. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Matthew. Happy birthday, Matthew. Yay! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear my friend. Happy birthday to you. Sige. Wow! Wish! What's your wish? What's your wish?
My thinking chocolate.
Oh, you blow your candle.
Yeah!
Yay! How old are you?
Chocolate.
Chocolate. Oh my goodness. Nakuha na agad yung chocolate. Not like that. You need help?
Yes.
Ooh, slide this down. Guys, it's my birthday.
Hello guys, it's my birthday.
Let's eat.
Let's eat.
How old are you?
How do you?
Hey, Matthew.
Oh.
3 years old. Is it exciting?
Yeah. Exciting.
You like your birthday?
Eat, 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 eat.
Handa natin, spaghetti, cheese bread, cake, tapos may ice cream sa freezer. Oh, wow! Look at that!
Let's try it together. He's over there.
Where's Goblin?
It's Goblin smiles
Where's Goblin?
over there.
Where is it?
What's boys?
Oh, how about this one? What's this one?
Blueberries.
Wow, this one. Black.
Blueberries too.
Blueberries too. It's blackberry. Mm. You like it?
What's that taste like?
Syrup.
Spidey.
What? Boop.
2,000 years later.
Hi guys! Today is Matthew's birthday and we are going to Kids Empire. Indoor playground yun for kids. So papasya lang namin siya kasi birthday niya. See you later! We're here na sa Kids Empire. Dito na kami sa... Anong tag dito? Sa playground. Pero hindi ko sila makita. Asan na kayo? Ano sila? Buang? Andito. Mamaya lang. Huwag mo busin. 50 lang ata yan. Ano sila? Na. Ano na? Andun sila. Tara. Pambihira. Mag-ano ka din pala dito. Aray ko. Mami, asan na sila? Hindi ko sila makita. Oh my God! Paano dadaan dyan? Ate! Alam, paano ako dadaan dito? Lulusot din ako. Hala! Oh my goodness. Oh my God. Oh my. Where are they? Ate, the card. Did you get it? Hala, lulusot din dito? Hala! Parang gusto ko ito lumabas.
Daddy!
Hala! Honey! Ano na? Saan pupunta sa dadaan? Hala! Daday! Paano tayo pasok? Ah, dito. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. This is so... What? What is it? The card? Oh my, I'm so scared. I'm so scared. Matthew, help me. How did you get there? Oh my God. Matthew, how did you get there? Oh my. Where's Matthew? Daddy? Oh no, help me, Matthew! Help me! Matthew, help me! Help me! Is it scary? Ah, Daddy, baka bigla umano. La. No. No sliding first, face first. No standing, no squatting, or kneeling. Ah.
I'll go first. You want to carry you?
Daddy will carry you na. Kaniwa ka mabuti ah. Oh no! Dapat nandun ako sa baba, no?
Una ka.
Oo! Paano ko? I'm scared. Tapos paano kayo babalik dito? Uikot uli kayo? Ang layo! O baka dito. May shortcut dito. Baka dito pwede. Oh my God.
Mommy will go slide first.
Oh my...
Ayaw mo?
I don't like! Go slide na kayo! I don't like! How can I go down? Iyan na yung fastest way. Daddy, welcome si Matthew ah. Ah! Ano? Okay? Hi! Sunod ako si ate. Ate sa likod. Sa likod ako. Dali na. Ate. So you can, now you go. I'm scared.
You want to share my life? You can go by yourself. You share my life?
Ang laki dito. Hindi kami makababa sa slide. Natatakot kami. Oh, ang ganda na no, umiikot. Ang laki. So, sila Matthew, nakapag-slide na, bakit na sila ulit? Ang init. Ay, si Matthew. Ayan, bakit? Nauna pa sa daddy niya, hala. Go!
Good job!
What? Good job!
Your turn.
You! Huh? Will you want to slide again? Want to slide again? Where are you going? Where are you going? Did you go there? Natira na ba yan? Chu! May slide din sa kabila. Tara, let's go the other side. Daddy. Wait! Oh my God! Mas maano to, honey! Honey, mas mataas yan! Oh, grabe yan! Wala pang ano-ano. Walang wave, babe! Dire-diretso. Ani, baka mabuti si Matthew, ah. Okay, game! Woo! Oh my God! Ang taas! Ayaw ko yan. Steep naman eh. Pag dito. No! Go, ate, go. Try the motorcycle. You wanna try the motorcycle? Let's try the motorcycle.
Go down.
You need to go down. Wait for daddy. Ate. Hi! Wait for mommy, please. Wait, I'll catch you. Come on. Your head, Matthew, please. Let's go. Go. Hi.
Wait.
You need to get out. You need to get out. Let's try the motorcycle. Where's ate? Boosh. Okay. Let's go. Wait. Ada din ulo. Ano to, honey? Which one you wanna grab?
Paano ba to?
Yung card. Ilan daw? 5 credits. You want the police?
Paano ba atras? Pati atras.
Oh,
Don't sit like this.
may step. Ito. Balance, 45.
45 minutes?
Hindi, 45 pa yung laman nun. Ah, sorry. Go! Oh! Picture! What's your picture? Daddy, picture! Ate, picture! Ako din? Ate. Ilan pa? 40. Ihinto mo lang. Walang break, Daddy? Bibitawan mo lang yung backwards mo lang ata na gano'n. Paano yung backwards, Daddy? Atras lang. Lang. Sakay din tayo ng motor. Pambata. Oh my goodness. Kailangan atras. Manual atras. Oh my god. Ang hirap i-atras. Go ahead. Hey girl. Go girl. Ikot-ikot lang yan siya dito. Hi! All done? Hindi ko alam. Tapos na? Meron pa dito? Madami. 5 lang naman kada ride eh. 5 credits. 50 to eh. 50. May 30. Meron pang Meron pang 30. Ikaw dati, wala na? Oo. Yung claw machine ata. Si Ma'am sa'yo, ayun yung claw machine. Ay, bastos. Go! Wala silang gas. Okay, tap on gas. Ay, wala na din. Okay, gas. Kailangan pala gamitin mo ng gamitin. Kasi nauubusan ng gas. Charot, nauubusan ng credit. Achoo! Yay! Achoo! Thank you! Not there! Oh my God, apat na siya. Ano? Okay, so dito pala tayo sa Red Lobster. Dito tayo magdi-dinner for Matthew's birthday! Yay! Is it your birthday?
Yes.
Kain tayo dito. Pali-pala yung entrance na pinuntahan namin. Dito pala kami dapat sa harap. Dito pala dapat kami. Ayan. Picture tayo dito mamaya. Please. Hi guys. Nandito na kami sa Red Lobster. Nakapag-order na kami ng food. So, inaantay na lang namin siya. Tapos may makulit ng bata. Ayan. Oh, are you coloring? Are you coloring? Can I color? Can I color that? Nag-start na siya magkulit.
Hungry.
Yeah, let's wait.
We have to wait. So we got our food, lobster, shrimp, and then snow crab legs, or Cajun linguine. What is
One more
food?
french fry.
You want more French fries? Oh, he likes it. Kain tayo.
Fries.
Kain tayo guys. Ano yun? Ito, itas may ganito.
I want bread.
Bread?
Wala pa rin kasi akong try. Tade. Sausaw natin dito.
Oh. Oh.
Let's try this.
Lagi sa ito. Hey, crabs na.
Cut. Who wants some lobster? Ready? Ate, you want lobster? You want lobster, ate?
Nasawsaw mo yun.
Oo. Sausaw mo dito. Ate.
Oh, that shrimp.
Yeah, you want shrimp?
I like shrimp.
Okay.
Ano itong sauce? Masarap din to. I think grilled chicken.
Yeah.
Ay, grilled shrimp.
I What? A wall. A wall. A wall.
You're good. Let's crack this.
Get the bar.
Ooh, look at this.
Chicken. Okay. Dalawa tito.
It's your Sunday. What?
Here.
You want to sit here? Come on.
Hello.
Yes. Happy birthday, Matthew. Happy birthday, Matthew. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Matthew. Blow. Can you blow? Yay! Thank you. Appreciate that.
What's this?
What is it? What is it? Oh, look at that. Yeah, strawberry. Lobster. That's strawberry. Lobster.
Oh, what's
Says
this?
happy birthday. You wanna eat your ice cream? Go eat it. Okay.
Look. What's this?
Ayan.
Guys.
Hey, don't touch it. That's hot. We're done here sa Red Lobster. Ah, pwede rin pala tayo dumaan dito kanina. Did you enjoy your food? Matthew, did you enjoy it? Oh, look where you're going, please. You're not looking. Let's go to the car.
Walk.
Hi, guys.
What
We're done here at Red Lobster. Uwi na tayo. You wanna go home now? You happy?
have my physical ball.
You want that? You like it?
Yeah.
What did you say?
Thank you.
Thank you for your presents.
Yeah.
You're welcome, my love. Are you happy? Are you happy?
I'm happy.
Can I have a kiss? Wow, you're welcome. Happy birthday. Hi guys, dito na pala tayo sa bahay. Pakita ko lang yung outfit ko. Ito lang naman yung outfit natin. Yung blouse and then pants. Tapos nagbad na ako ng shoes. Ang sakit na ng paa ko. Ayun lang guys for today's video. Napasarap ng kain ng lobster at saka ng anong tawag doon? Crabs. Crab legs, tsaka shrimp. Ayan, laki ng tiyan natin. Kailangan mag-gym bukas. Thank you guys for watching. Good night, everybody.